Hello everyone, today I will show you how to copy text from a comment box using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor and select this comment option, this menu bar, and go your comment box and double click on this comment box and comment box text now showing here. Now press and drag your mouse cursor, select text, or press Ctrl A, you can select all text. I'll select specific text, this text, and press Ctrl C, select copy, and I'll paste this text box and see this. In this way, you can copy and paste text from one comment box to another comment box. Yeah, this is. Also, I'll copy this text box comment and select copy. I'll paste here, or and see this. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.